Hello and welcome to a short video recipe on how to utilize the preview mode on the review page on Bookalope. In this video, we will show you the difference between the default view and the preview mode and how you can utilize these views to get the best results out of your manuscript. Let's get started. At Bookalope, we're on a mission to create truly accessible books for any reader, in any format, anywhere. This is why we take extra care in nailing down the structure of your book before worrying about which fonts and styles you might want to use. Don't worry, you'll be able to select that at the conversion stage. When importing your manuscript document, Bookalope will identify and classify the different elements in your document with a label. Bookalope categorizes elements based on their stylistic appearance and their context in the original document. On the review page, you'll find a default view of your document that will look stylistically similar to the original document you uploaded. To shift to preview mode, you can simply select the toggle icon in the toolbox or type the X key. The preview mode strips the document from its original styling and shows you the raw structure of your text via direct visual feedback. But how is this different from the default view? Whereas the text won't stylistically change on the default view, in preview mode the text will change and adjust based on your labeling. Let's say you wanted to convert this first element into a part of the normal body of text. In the default view, you would just select the according label and change it to paragraph, but the text will still visually look like a title. Now let's have a look at the preview mode. Note how the element changes in size to match the style of the paragraph below. This is what we call direct visual feedback. In preview mode, you'll be able to visually keep track with your changes as they will shift and adapt instantly in response to your modifications. So how should you use both views? A recommendation is that you use the original styling of your document to clean up your document and ensure that Bookalope has labeled every element correctly. Once you're done with that task, shift to preview mode to make structural edits and add in new elements into your text. Once you get more comfortable with how each view works, you might find yourself toggling back and forth both views to work on your document. That's it. If you want to access more detailed information on how to use Bookalope to its fullest potential, you can find more short tutorials on how to use our tools on our YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can also find these in our online manual page. You'll find all the relevant links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.